Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. At first, as you know, my name is Tiffany Aluna Dania. You can call me Fanny, Luna, or anything you want. I was born in Bogor, but my mom and dad was born in Bandung. FYI. Now I live in Bogor. I used to live in Bandung, and actually I was comfortable in Bandung. Okay, talk about my hobby. I don't know my hobby what is because I have many hobbies. I can make them all hobbies. But my main hobbies is drawing. You can check my second account Instagram. Their apa ya? Their Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.